Performance. We're on the Pennzoil Proving Grounds test track. I'm here with Supercar Chris from Freedom Supercars. I know what you're gonna say, one's stock, one's modified, but this is the perfect apples to apples comparison for the twin turbo R8. We're gonna verse it against its cousin, not too distant, the Lamborghini Huracan. And Chris, tell us a little bit about Freedom Supercars.
Yeah, so we have a membership subscription program for these supercars, so you can come in, drive McLarens, Ferraris, Lamborghinis. We take care of all the insurance, maintenance, all that kind of stuff.
Check out Freedom Supercars in the link below. Let's get to racing. All right, Chris, let's do a 45 roll. I'm about to spank your Lamborghini.
All right, we'll do it.
No way, it just pulls away.
Turbo R8 is obviously much faster than the stock Huracan, its cousin, with the same V10 engine, same car. The R8 actually was in third gear, and I heard from Chris that he was in second gear, so I was actually at a little bit of a disadvantage. But even so, the R8 comes out on top with a huge gap from the Huracan, so it's exciting to see that even at a disadvantage there's a huge gap. But we're gonna cut it off there. This is a customer car. We're happy to deliver it. It's performing great, so we're excited to get this thing to the customer so he can just enjoy it. I mean, this is the absolute perfect package for this vehicle. Daily drivable, same pump gas that you're running already. Nothing's gonna change. Your car is still gonna be perfectly drivable, just like it is right now, but just way faster.